The 2016 Grand Prix motorcycle racing season is the 68th F.I.M.Road Racing World Championship season. Jorge Lorenzo is the defending world champion, having secured his third MotoGP title and fifth overall championship title at the 2015 Valencian Community Grand Prix. By mid-August, the championship is led by Marc Márquez, followed by Valentino Rossi and reigning champion Lorenzo. The season saw Cal Crutchlow, Jack Miller and Andrea Iannon win the first races in the Premier Class calendar. The following Grand Prix are officially scheduled to take place in 2016. Calendar changes. The 2016 season will see the return of the Austrian Grand Prix to the series schedule after 19 years' absence. The race will be held at the Red Bull Ring, which was the venue of the last Austrian Grand Prix, when the track was called A1 Ring. Having been on the calendar since 2008, the Indianapolis round has been discontinued. For the first time in the history of the Dutch TT, the races were held on a Sunday. Teams and riders. A provisional entry list was announced on the 7th of November 2015. Team changes. Marc VDS Racing expanded to enter a second bike. After entering two bikes in 2015, Team LCR reverted to a single entry in 2016. The Asper Racing team ended their association with Honda and returned to Ducati. The team used Ducatis in 2010 and 2011. Forward Racing left MotoGP as they announced a new partnership with MV Agusta in the Superbike World Championship and Supersport World Championship. In 2016, AB Motor Racing left MotoGP as Carl Abraham moved to the Superbike World Championship. IODA Racing announced that they would leave MotoGP and compete in the Superbike World Championship. Rider changes. Esteve Ribat, the 2014 Moto2 World Champion, made his MotoGP debut with Marc VDS Racing, the team he won the Moto2 title with. Yoni Hernandez did not have his contract with Pramac Racing renewed, and moved to Asper Racing to replace Nicky Hayden, who left MotoGP from the Superbike World Championship. Having competed in MotoGP since 2011, Carl Abraham switched to the Superbike World Championship. Laura Spaz moved to Avintia Racing to replace Mike Di Meglio. Scott Redding left Marc VDS Racing at the end of the 2015 season to join Pramac Racing. His place was taken by Jack Miller. Rule changes. Starting in 2016, Michelin has become the series' official tire supplier following Bridgestone's withdrawal from the category. Dorna have also agreed a rule change to the 2016 regulations to increase the wheel size from 16.5 inches to 17 inch. The previous factory and open classes will be merged. Every bike must adopt the unified electronic package. Each rider will be able to use up to 7 engines in a season, albeit with frozen specifications, and the maximum fuel tank capacity will be 22 liters. Factories without a dry win between 2013 and 2015 will still be allowed to use 12 engines with free development, but in case of a determined number of podiums or wins scored during 2016, the factory will lose these benefits for the next season. Similarly, any manufacturer not scoring a single podium in 2016 will gain those concessions in 2017. Results and standings. Grand Prix riders' standings scoring system. Points are awarded to the top 15 finishers. A rider has to finish the race to earn points.